Hello everyone, welcome all of you again. In this lesson, how to change units in AutoCAD, we will examine this. I will not make any unit changes during this course. But if you want to change units in your own work or in a different project, you can change them here. Let's press U and N on our keyboard. I pressed space or enter. A window like this opened. On the left side, there is the section where we will change the length. On the right side, there is the angle heading. Look, when I click on type, there are different selections in it. For example, here we have architectural. Architectural is used in architectural drawings, or decimal is used in decimal units. Engineering is already used in engineering. Fractional is used in fractional parts. Scientific is already used in scientific expressions. When we change them, pay attention to the expressions here. How will they change? For example, there is an expression with 0.00 in the precision part of the length section. And in the same way, in the sample output section, there is an expression like this. When I made this decimal architectural, look, the expression here has changed. Likewise, the others in it have also changed. And the output section here has also changed. When I made it engineering, I got an expression like this. In the precision section, how many digits after the dot? That's what it's asking us right now. When we make it 0, there is no dot, so there will be no expression after the dot. Look in the angle section. It says decimal degrees. Let's click there once. There are a couple of different options. In the precision section, there are expressions like 0, 0.0, 0.00. If we change decimal degrees from above, let's make degree, minute, second. Look, an expression like this came down. Or when we make it gradient, we get expressions like 0 gradient, 0.00 gradient. Let's make this decimal degrees. Clockwise option. If we want the degree part to work clockwise, we can mark it here. But since it is usually counterclockwise in AutoCAD, let's not check it here. Or you can use it however you want to use it in your project. There are different units inside. There are options such as millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers. You can choose which one you want to use. Look, down there in the lighting section, there are international and American. International uses candela or lumen as the unit of light. American uses foot candle or candela. International is used in Europe and many other countries, while the American option is usually used in America. Let's make this international here. Then you can close this window by saying OK after making your settings. Or if you don't want to make changes, you can close it again by saying cancel. In this lesson, we saw the unit. We saw how it was changed. You can change the unit at the beginning of your drawings. But as I said at the beginning of our lesson, we will draw without getting stuck on any unit throughout this course. Then see you in our next lesson.